Now let us talk about Windows 7. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. It provides a graphical user interface (GUI) that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. Windows got its name from a glass window, as its interface resembles a glass window through which we can see and have different views. Windows 7 is the most popular version of Windows and was released on October 22, 2009. Students, do you know Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows? Okay, let us learn how to switch on a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. Number 1. Switch on the main power supply button. Number 2. Switch on the UPS button. If the electricity goes off, the UPS makes the computer work. Number 3. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. Number 4. Switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. You will find the welcome screen of Windows.